Today, I'm going to be showing you how to bold text on your Google Pixel device. Now, I'll be using the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL in this example, and it's quite simple, so let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing that you want to do is select the gear icon or settings option on your device, and once you go into settings, you are then going to go ahead and scroll down until you see the option for display. Go ahead and select display, and then on the next screen you're going to scroll down a little bit until you see display size and text, and then go ahead and select that option. And now at the bottom of the next screen you should see the second to the last option will be bold text, and you simply want to have that toggled on if you want your text to be bold. So once you toggle that on, you should notice immediately all of the text on the screen is bold. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys. If so, feel free to give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching and have an awesome day.